Every great brand starts with an idea, but movements start with a belief that things can be better, that people can grow, that something meaningful deserves attention. Turning your brand into a movement means transforming what you do into what you stand for. It's about building something people want to belong to, not just buy from. Step 1. Start with a mission, not a marketing plan. Movements begin with purpose. Ask yourself, what change do I want to create? What truth do I want to share? What impact do I want people to feel? When your message carries meaning, your audience doesn't just support it, they share it. Step 2. Define the enemy of your movement. Every movement is fueled by contrast. It's not just what you stand for, it's what you stand against. Maybe the enemy is fear, conformity, or doubt. Define it clearly, because it gives your mission power. When people know what you're fighting for, they rally behind your cause. Step 3. Build language that unites. Movements have language, words and stories that make people feel part of something bigger. Create simple, repeatable language around your mission. Instead of followers, you'll have believers, people who carry your message beyond your reach. Step 4. Lead with story, not strategy. Facts inform, stories transform. A movement grows when people see themselves inside your story. Share your journey, your struggles, and your purpose. You're not the hero. You're inviting your audience to join the story as co-creators. Step 5. Turn customers into community. Brands sell to customers. Movements serve communities. Create spaces for people to connect, not just with you, but with each other. Give them a shared identity they're proud to be part of. People don't just want to follow, they want to belong. Step 6. Be consistent in action, not just in words. A movement grows from credibility. Let your mission guide your actions in how you create, communicate, and show up. When your values stay steady, trust deepens. Consistency turns belief into behavior, and behavior builds legacy. Step 7. Empower others to lead. A true movement doesn't depend on one person. When others start sharing your ideas and living your mission, that's impact. Empower your community to contribute and collaborate. The more ownership people feel, the stronger your movement becomes. A brand is built through attention. A movement is built through alignment. When your purpose connects with people's hearts, they don't just buy, they believe. The most powerful brands don't just build businesses, they build belief systems. And belief, when shared, becomes unstoppable.